Hello people, welcome back to Study Hall. Today we will going to install QBASIC in our computer system. So let's start with QBASIC. We'll know that QBASIC is a high level programming language and it is basically used in teaching and in introductory concept of programming while working with the language. For installing QBASIC, first you have to open Google Chrome. And here you will type qb64.org. qb64.org. Now do a Google search, and after that you will find this kind of page in front of your computer screen. So in this you have to click on this version of you have to click on download qb64, and after that you will find lots of link here in this page. And for installing QBasic you have to know about your window, that means 64-bit window or a window 32-bit. And for that you just have to go to my computer and then just open the thing in which this PC. You have to go to this option, that is this PC, and after that you will go to the properties side. You have to go to the properties, and here you will find the system type, and in this systems type you will find that this PC consists of 64-bit operating system, different for different computer system. And so from this we will get to know that this PC consists of 64-bit operating system. So now let's download 64-bit. Let's click to 64-bit download ZIP. So here is this Windows 64-bit. So just click on this zip form. It will take 2 to 3 minutes for downloading. So let's wait for that. Now this file is downloaded now. So let's open this file. While opening this file, you will find QB64 here. So let's extract this QB64. And here you just extract this file to the particular position. So let's install this file to the desktop. I'm going to install this file to the download option. And here I have to put the name of this file. So let's give qb64 name to the file. So it is basically in downloads option. And now click on OK button. Now it is only take some time, so let's wait for that. Now it is completed. So let's find this file in download option of your PC. Let's go to the My Computer. After that, downloads, you will find this file here, that qb64. Now you just have to open this file and you will find a blue color qb.exe, qb64.exe. So this is an application type file. So you just have to open this file and click run as an administrator. So when you click on this file and run it as an administrator, you will find the things in front of your screen. Now this is your QBASIC window. So let's type the things here. Number one is CLS, which is clear screen, right? Now you just have to print Mala Jha. And now end. Now just type F5, click on the F5 button from your keyboard, or you can just run this thing by clicking this run button also. When you click this run button, you will find that here is the start thing written, and for starting or to run this program, you just have to click F5 button from your keyboard. So now it will definitely take some more time for creating .exe file. So let's wait for that. So this is basically the result, where you can see that Mala Jha is printed now. So I hope this installation or this process clear to your mind. So thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel.